All right, so quick one. Let's talk about what trended last week. And this thing raised a lot of debates last week. It is between the Ooni of Ife and Alaafin of Oyo. There was a serious debate around Nigeria where people were saying, who is more supreme? Who get more power pass between the Ooni of Ife and the Alaafin of Oyo? You know, it was a very serious debate. But you see, there's something else happening on the ground that a lot of you have not noticed. You have not taken note of. Have you noticed that some way, somehow, they are trying to mess up monarchy in Nigeria? The influence of monarchy, they are trying to bring it down. These politicians know what they are doing. All these things that is happening between the Alaafin of Oyo and the Ooni of Ife, it is fueled by people that know what they are doing. How? This whole thing started with the Emir of Kano. The whole debate, Emir of Kano, Sanusi Lamido is not supposed to be the Emir and all. All those things that they did then is just because they know that the Emir of Kano had so much influence. And if the Emir of Kano does not pick a particular candidate to be governor in Kano State, that person cannot be governor, not just in Kano State, around the north. So these politicians sat down, they understand that these people have power. Do you understand? So they decided that, okay, this is what we are going to do. We'll cause problem among them. We'll therefore reduce their influence and reduce the respect that people have for them. A lot of things that we, the youth, don't pay attention to. But, of course, that's what is actually happening, but you don't know. They tried it with the Emir of Kano, and now that kingdom is strong. But the influence it used to have, it does not have it again. That controversy that happened between Sanusi Lamido and blah, 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 it messed up the throne a little bit. Now, they don't carry the same thing. They don't try and work for Emir. They don't carry and enter Yoruba land. They know that the Ooni of Ife is very influential. They know that the Alaafin of Oyo is very influential. They know that if you want to become governor, you must meet these two people. But if they reduce the power and reduce the influence, then they control everything. It's a divide and conquer situation. So they are messing up all the people that have power to influence politics in Nigeria. But the youths are not paying attention. When they do debates, it's not even about the debates. Because make it make sense. What are they dragging? To the point where I say, this one is more supreme, this one is more supreme. For what? They have been there for years. Why now? They did the Emir of Kano. They don't come Alaafin of Oyo and Ooni of Ife. Now, let's move. Very soon, they go affect a lot of kings. See, the other time, the Sultan of Sokoto was trending about an issue. They kept on fueling underground so that they would attack the man. Do you understand? Even though, yes, okay, as our father, yes, okay, maybe wait till he talk. Because me self even talk against her at that time. But later, I shut down, I say, wait, Emir of Kano this. As I don't see this Alaafin of Oyo and Ooni of Ife, just click. Not just that. Have you noticed that the people that have power to influence politics, they don't release their power down to the SUG? SUG, Student Union Government, used to be very, very strong influence in politics. But for some reason, now SUG no get level again. If you see the SUG presidents when they get around our tertiary institution, now they be bolo. Plenty of them are bolo. Student Union Government is no longer powerful and cannot influence politics anymore. You see the way this thing they go, it is a pattern. These people are actually following in some format. Now, it looks like, okay, yes, but it is what it is. I've sat down to think that, okay, what is really going on? Do you understand? But if you look at it deep, some people somewhere are actually doing these things deliberately, and the sooner the kings realize, the better for them. All the powerful kings in Nigeria, Oba of Benin, Ooni of Ife, Alaafin of Oyo, Olu of Wari, the king of Baramatu, the king of Okpela, bro, you people should know these things. These people are coming for you. These politicians are coming for you. Do you understand? And please, Nigerian youth, this is what I want to tell you. This is what I want to tell you. When you see your first class king, even though, be diplomatic the way they talk about them. These people are using us against these guys to reduce their influence and to disrespect them so that their throne and their influence will be subdued. Down to the Student Union Governments, SUG, everything, they don't collect power for their hand so that they, politicians, can decide. Now, no be your king. No waiting, because before, your king will say our community, this, that. But now, think. If you don't think, you're going to learn, and you will learn the hard way. Don't play. Oh, I even forgot to mention what they did with the Ata of Igala and the Oyinoi of Ibira. Before, if you want to be governor for there, Ata of Igala, all those people, they don't use politics. Reduce their power. Now politicians go just decide, say, now this one I won't put as governor. These people know what they are doing with this monarchy, with these kings. They know what they are doing with royalty. It's not a joke. Pay attention, people. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, you're going to learn. I will learn the hard way.